Hi, this is Lloyd, marriage and family therapist, clinical mental health counselor. I'm also a marriage coach, and I'm excited to welcome you to this marriage maintenance program. You see, every marriage needs maintenance, just like a motor car. If you had a car and you don't service it, there's no regular maintenance program. You don't change the oil and the other lubricants. You find that after a while you must expect the engine and almost all the moving parts to collapse. You see, everything needs maintenance, and so is a marriage. Now, why do you need a marriage maintenance program? I tell you why. You see, friends, there are different seasons of a marriage, and the marriage changes over time. You see, one person may go out on the street and their friend says something that influences them, and they come home and they look and they act differently in the marriage. For example, the other may have a new car or a new house, or their husband or their wife may threaten to divorce them for some matter, and people are influenced. They come into the marriage and they say, well, I'm sorry, I'm not taking that because my friend doesn't take it, things like that. There are many variables, many things that influence a marriage in different ways. There are different seasons of a marriage, and you need maintenance program. You need somebody to clarify your experiences as you embark on this journey of marriage. Also, during the child rearing years, there are changes in the marriage. Did you know, friends, that a lot of men become unfaithful in the marriage during the early child rearing years, especially after the wife has a baby? He becomes unfaithful, and so you need a maintenance program, somebody to talk to answer your questions as to why these things happen and how to navigate these difficult issues that threaten to destroy your relationship. You may also have a problem with money, and you don't know how to deal with it. The in-laws may come over and they may say some things and you don't understand, and there is a risk of alienating your in-laws simply because you don't know how to navigate these different issues in your marriage. Also, you must understand your partner's needs. A lot of people are trying to meet their partner's needs, but they don't know what those needs are, and the spouse is continually discontented and miserable. Why? You're trying to meet their needs, but you don't know what their needs are. There's some things you must learn in marriage. If not, you will make a shipwreck of relationship, friends. And so, you see, knowledge is powerful in a relationship. When you don't have knowledge, you blunder along. And this is why 53% of marriages end in divorce today. Another 15% stay just because of the kids. And then another 5%, listen to me, another 5% stay for economic reasons. And so already we have 73% of marriages in trouble. Why? Because people don't seek knowledge. Friends, when you don't possess knowledge, you blunder along. You do marriage by trial and error. Many times you get into serious trouble and you do not know how to navigate yourself out of these perilous issues. But when you possess knowledge, on the other hand, you have maximum performance in your relationship. And so, friends, every marriage needs a maintenance program. And by the way, let me just tell you, there are 3 things I want to tell you that you get when you sign up for this program. Number 1, I have a weekly presentation that I make in the group. So I meet with you weekly. In addition to that, there's a Q&A section where you get an opportunity to ask your most pressing relationship-related questions and to find clarification and solutions to your issues. So once a week, I meet with you live. Remember that. The number 2, you have access to all my free resources, my ebooks, my downloads, my books too. You can download the books free of charge. All my relationship building material, you have free access to all of these. And number 3, when you become a member of this marriage maintenance program, you are now a part of a community where you have like-minded people who are dealing with similar issues as you, to support you, to inspire you, and to encourage you. Remember now, like iron sharpeneth iron, so one man the countenance of his friends. And so we need a supportive group, and this is where it all happens. In this marriage maintenance program, weekly, I meet with you. Oh friends, sign up below, click the link below, and I look forward to meeting you in this studio.